Paragraph A School Magazine. A school magazine, it is annual publication of a school. Usually it is published once a year. Students and teachers write to it. Almost all the aspects of the school are reflected in it. Almost all well published schools publish a school magazine every year. We are very proud to have our own school magazine. Its name is Proshun. It is usually published at the end of our academic year. It generally contains poems, short stories, plays, one-act plays, group pictures, drawings, jokes, and riddles, features and report of academic as well as cultural activities of our school. It also gives us information about our previous results. We have a magazine committee. One of the school members of the magazine committee work as the editor. He is guided by a senior teacher. Students of almost every classes are encouraged to write for the magazine. The class teacher collects the writings of the students. Then the magazine committee sorts them out and sends the best ones for printing. The teachers also write for the magazine in our school. The school magazine of our school reflects the academic and co-curriculum activities of our school. Our school magazine is a great bond to us. It helps us to develop our creative power and express our feelings and thoughts. We, all the students of our school, wait eagerly for the school magazine throughout the year. In fact, a school magazine has a great influence of our school life. A student can have the opportunity to show his talent through the school magazine. It is the first stepping stone of many future writers. It helps us to enrich our domain of knowledge. It is a platform of the future writers and a link between the former and the present students. We are really proud of our school magazine.